Tesla Giga Shanghai again demonstrates China speed in Phase 2 construction. Made in China Model Y may start production in advance. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. I have a developing story coming from Giga Shanghai. Things are going at lightning speed and Tesla Model Y may be available made in China even ahead of time. The construction speed of Giga Shanghai continues to amaze everyone. The latest drone video shows that Tesla is expecting the Gigafactory 3 at an astonishing rate. According to the latest video of June 4, construction crews are completing Phase 2 and 3. Phase 2 3 months after the start of construction of the 3A and 3B areas of Giga Shanghai, that the capping will be completed soon. So the speedy completion of the construction of these areas means that the Chinese production of Model Y can begin much faster than previously planned. Despite the rainy season that has now begun in China, the construction of the second phase of the project has not been stopped. We can see that the roof of Part 2A and Phase 2 was laid. As of June 4, only less than 1/10 of the roof of the entire northern factory building was not laid. In addition to the main building of the Phase 2, other workshops also accelerate construction. The stamping shop has begun internal installation. The factory design on the side of the power shop also supports more steel frames. The external walls of the Cube 3 assembly facility of the Model Y have been reinforced. Buildings near the southern corner took shape. Tesla is also approaching completion of the molding facility adjacent to the southern part of the main assembly building for the Tesla Model 3 vehicle. On June 3rd, the Tesla China website launched a configurator for Model Y. According to Tesla's website, Chinese customers can now order made in China Model Y electric crossover. Estimated production time is early 2021, so production is expected to start as soon as 2021. The price of the long-range Model Y is about $68,580, which is 488,000 Chinese yuan. The performance version will cost Chinese consumers about $75,185, which is 535,000 Chinese yuan. The first Tesla Model Y electric crossover deliveries in China, actually in North America, in the United States, began in North America in March. Remember, it was in March, ahead of schedule, which is half a year faster than previously planned. Tesla produces cars faster every year than before. The accumulated experience is used in order to implement their plans as quickly as possible and provide customers with cars that are in high demand. The Tesla Model Y is a compact SUV. Such a car model is becoming increasingly popular, not only in the United States but also in China, so the demand for it is growing rapidly. In 2021, Europeans will also be able to get the first Model Y made in Germany, made at Giga Berlin, as new Tesla Giga Berlin factory is being built there rapidly as well. Thanks for watching, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. If this was of interest to you, please subscribe to our channel, as this is a developing story and I'm going to chronicle Tesla Giga Shanghai's second phase production and production of Model Y in this channel. And please like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who helped me to chronicle these stories with you, for you. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and take good care of each other. Stay safe, friends. See you soon.